I'm Roberta Gassman, and I came to the University of Wisconsin as an undergraduate in 1966, and then I got my master's in social work here. And I worked as a social worker for a few years with teens and also with the elderly. Now, as a person at a part of a career continuum where I've worked for many years in different agencies and in different layers of government and in the private sector, to have a chance to give back and share some of what I've had the privilege of learning with either young people who are coming up and are the change makers and the policy makers of the future, or current workers and supervisors who are looking to refresh and polish their skills and learn some new ideas to help infuse their work. I feel that coming to educating students is actually very inspiring. So it's been fun to do a lot of the reading of books and articles that I'm working through as I put my first course together, Influencing Political Systems for Social Change, and to see in these readings a lot of the ideas that I've had a chance to live, and to think about what would be helpful for graduate students, whether in social work or other disciplines as well, who want to think about how do we impact the political systems that are going to affect how programs and policies operate in our country and in our states and in our communities. What gives me great hope is really when I talk to young people and I talk to students and I see the dedication that they have. These social work students and students who choose public policy and choose public health and choose the service professions and education, they see things that aren't quite right, and they are still choosing these majors, getting these degrees, deciding to make a difference, and that gives me hope. Hopefully, with the goodwill and the commitment and the values of those doing this work and those coming up, we're going to be able to find the middle ground to keep moving forward, keep seeing improvements, and improve the quality of life in our communities and in our states and in our country. So I guess my main message I would have for people who are interested in public policy is to follow it. And there's no better way to learn about it than to just immerse yourself. And I know students are busy, but find the time to go to public meetings of groups made up of elected officials, see how they operate, follow the process, because that's the way you can learn about it, and that will help you be prepared to be the most impactful when you want to implement improvements in policies that you have to work with policymakers hard to see happen.